Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I have this 2019 Honda HRV. It's not CRV, it's HRV with 1.8 liter engine. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick in this vehicle. I'm not gonna show you how to do the oil life reset because I did a video of how to do that in a different video, separate. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to do the oil change. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Destroy the subscribe button, please. And the feedback, please put it in the comment box for me. And I'll catch you up later. I hope you enjoyed the video of how to do the oil change in this vehicle. Alright. Anything you need to say, put it in the comment box for me, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Alright.